Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your paleontology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Fossil Friday. If you are ever in Teller County, Colorado, you will want to stop at Florissant Fossil Beds National Monument near the town of Florissant. Florissant is the French word for flowering due to the abundance of wildflowers in the area. The Florissant Formation was deposited during the Eocene and Oligocene epochs by a lake surrounded by redwoods. It is composed of alternating beds of shale, mudstone, conglomerates, and volcanic clastics. There are 6 described units: a lower shale unit, a lower mudstone unit, a middle shale unit, a caprock conglomerate unit, an upper shale unit, and an upper pumice unit. The lower mudstone unit is interpreted as a stream deposit and the conglomerate as a lahar deposit. But where did the volcanic rocks come from? Well, around 25 to 30 kilometers to the southwest. But where did the volcanic rocks come from? Well, around 25 to 30 kilometers to the southwest is the 39-mile volcanic field. It is a series of stratovolcanoes similar to the modern Cascade mountain range in Washington and Oregon. The Guffey Volcanic Center was the source of the lahars and volcaniclastics of the Florissant Formation. While we usually think of volcanoes as destructive, they also have the potential to preserve, if the conditions are just right. Ash can actually preserve soft tissues of plants and animals with such detail that we can retrieve pigment and proteins from the fossilized remains. About 30 petrified redwood stumps have been preserved, as well as some angiosperms. Other plants, including fruits, seeds, cones, and flowers, have also been preserved in the monument. Over 1,500 species of spiders and insects have been identified from the fossil beds, with about 38% being beetles. Which is really funny to me because I don't think I could find a single picture of a beetle that comes out of the Florissant fossil beds. Nobody cared to take pictures of those, I guess. I don't know. Vertebrate fossils aren't as well preserved as the invertebrate fauna, but fragments of bowfins, suckers, catfish, pirate perches, cuckoos, shorebirds, an opossum, a horse, a brontothere, and an oreodont have been recovered from the area. Surprisingly, no reptiles or amphibians have been found yet. Thanks for coming to today's lesson. Make sure that you tune in on Monday to learn about different types of volcanoes. And you have a wonderful weekend. There may be some videos from the field today. I don't know. Depends on what gets found. And I will fossilize you later.